over my years of coaching technical projects and doing a lot of troubleshooting for issues, whether it's a root cause analysis of something existing or new product development more in that upstream phase, inherently organizations or individuals are in this realm of we're almost there. You know, we don't need to do anything extra, we don't need to do anything fancy, we don't need to run any simulations, we don't need to redo any analysis. We're almost there, we have smart people, we'll get it. We've been working on this for 5 years, we're just around the corner. In some certain cases, I've been approached 9 months later and said, we wish you would have been here, 6 months ago or whatever. And as it turns out, I was there before that, but they were in that almost there category. So I think you really need, if you're in that philosophy, if you're almost there, you need to put a kind of a hard end point of, at what point do I say we're not almost there and we need to do retrench and do something else? Just relying on hope. It was one of my manager's comments at one point in my career. We don't manage on hope around here. The hope word was a 4-letter word we weren't allowed to use. You had to have a plan for moving forward, not we hope we get there on the next test. So know what that end point is to make that decision. What's that trigger event or trigger timing? They'll say we're going to go a different route. And I think if you do that, I'm not saying DOE needs to be used all the time right up front, but if you're hitting that wall and you're hitting that wall, I've been involved with projects that have been going on in development for 7 years, and within 6 months you can see the path required for redesign. They were never going to get there. And so it's just something that you need to have that trigger point, you need to have that end time, and see what you can make of your project that way. If you think you're almost there, but you feel like you're relying too much on help, and you want assessment, I'll be completely honest with you and let you know if I really do think you're almost there, because sometimes I will see stuff and I'll encourage that. Other times I'll say, you know what, it looks like you're spinning your wheels for a long time. You've tried the easy stuff. It's probably some combination of those things. So keep that in mind. If you want some assistance to look at your project, look at your situation, we'll give you our feedback and you can make the best choice possible for you moving forward your project.